and this is my little sister Amanda.
Bleeding nose.
Yeah, you have bleeding nose, but are you happy it's good now? Yeah, there's a little red there, but that's okay. It feels good, right? Yeah. So today we're going to be making
Look, my baby
a painting. We're not having any paintbrushes, so you think we're gonna use our fingers? Nope, we're not gonna use our fingers. You're going to need all of these materials. Okay, so we're going to need this plastic cup and this paint and the canvas if you want. Well, this one has painting, but we will cover it. And we're going to use acrylic paint using these colors and just squirt them out in each one. Oh, and don't forget we're going to need some soap and a little helper. Now we're going to squirt them out. Only 2 drops of the hand soap. Let's go 1 and 2. There we go. Oh, it's dripping now. Let's try not to make it drip. Okay, there we go. And you just do the same for the others. We're just going to use a stick and mix up the soap and the paint. And if you need a little helper, we can help you.
Whoa, so good.
Yep.
And then I was only 3 years old, then 4 years old, then 5 years old.
Okay, there we go. Are you done mixing the white? Okay, let's put it back. Okay, our mixing with soap and paint is done. Now we're going to pour half of it into my cup and then hand the rest to Amanda. So watch. We pour a little bit of there. Okay, I think that's enough. And now I can give it the rest to Amanda. Now I put the paint in there and I give the rest to Amanda. Amanda, you're supposed to dump them into your cup, okay? Both of them. And I'm gonna put this color in.
No, sparkly.
And give
Hold on
a little more. Okay, there we go. Don't shake it, don't move it, we just keep it there.
See?
That's okay, but Amanda, there's still more in this cup, and in the others too. We shouldn't waste the materials, let's dump them all in. Okay, here's where the magic and the fun part begins. Amanda, watch. We flip this over, and then turn both of them around. Ready? 3, 2, 1, flip! You could see that. Okay, let's let it flow. We have to slowly take up the cup. See? And then you have it, and as you can see, it's spreading.
Now I could do this.
Okay, Mommy will help you, Amanda. It's a bit hard for you.
Baby?
Now I think we're gonna tilt it. Oh, let's see what you did. Okay, Amanda, slowly. Slowly. Okay, wow. That's good. Oops, let's make sure it doesn't spread. Let's tilt it a little bit, Amanda. A little bit. Just to be careful.
Tote. A little. Tote. A little. Tote.
You can see it moving. It's just like magic. So that's why we called it the magic part. Later, I have to fill up the whole canvas. Then it could be like, whoa!
Magic. Could baby play now?
My sister again is playing with the toys. So I'm just gonna finish my tilting. You can go a little fast. Okay, there. Let's make sure. Oops.
Baby.
It's okay to get messy. It's just an artwork.
Yes.
Amanda's is this one, mine is this one. The pink hasn't. I just put in some more pink on mine. Amanda's outside playing, but I'm inside watching it all dry off. And once it's all dry, Amanda is gonna say that it's so beautiful. Especially mine has polka dots. Yeah, polka dots. Polka dots. Since my mom and me and Amanda made a little art studio after it all dries off, these beautiful paintings will be in the art studio. So I hope you liked our fun project. See you next time. Say bye, everyone, Amanda.